Number 3, this supporting cast, the space fabric is for the Earth as well. What we don't really realize is there are subatomic particles and there are structures that are not visible even in our telescopes, but we're able to monitor them so that space itself is essentially occupied by a cooperating lattice of these subatomic particles that make possible the placement of the rest of these things we can see and study. It's astounding. It's unlimited. The more we know, the more we find. This lattice supports the tendrils, and I'm using, all of this is supported by the scientific data, and it's in your work here so you can check it out. All of the masses, charges, and other properties of subatomic particles arise from a uniform chorus of violins playing, vibrating, playing at a specific rate, a symphony of different notes, and we're using secular sources here. This supporting fabric of space, and as if by a chain, our planet's surface is connected intimately with this space environment. Even secular scholars have described the universe as a sounding board. Scripture anticipated. Now, this gets me. This astounds me. Hosea chapter 2, verses 21 and 22, anticipated what I just told you about the tendrils of space. Watch this. And it shall come to pass in that day, I will hear, saith the Lord, I will hear the heavens. Now, wait a minute. That's a double statement. He wants us to listen. Stop. Look. Listen. Behold. It's like in the New Testament, verily, verily, I say unto thee. You better pay attention to that. See, I will hear, saith the Lord, I will hear, wait a minute, I'll hear the heavens, and they shall hear the earth, and the earth shall hear the vibrations of the corn, and the processed grape juice, the wine. God said, I will hear the heavens, and the heavens will hear the earth. The heavens are affected by the vibrations on earth? Yes. And the earth shall hear the corn, will hear the inner vibrations, and the wine and the oil, and they shall hear Jezreel that produces all of these. Earth's organic and inorganic systems benefit from universal signals, and the particles and structure in space are influenced by signals from the earth. Who said that? Was it a televangelist preacher? Now wait a minute. You know what that statement just said? Vibrations from here affect the stars. Vibrations from the stars affect us. That is from Discover August 1989, Marcia Bartusiak, Einstein's Unfinished Sympathy, recognized as an academic publication. Did you understand everything I just said? The Bible had said all along there's interplay of the signals universally. Now hang on, because we're going to learn more in just a moment. We hear them and they hear us. Oh, by the way, there are some angels listening, but there aren't any aliens on Mars. And the earth is not flat. I just wanted you to know that.